Parallel sentence structure, also known as parallelism, is a powerful tool in writing that enhances readability and adds a certain rhythm and balance to your sentences. This concept is not just a stylistic choice. It is crucial for clarity and can make your writing more persuasive and impactful. To understand parallel sentence structure, imagine a train running smoothly on tracks that are laid out evenly and straight. Similarly, in writing, parallelism involves using the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. This can happen at the level of words, phrases, or clauses. For example, consider the sentence, "She likes reading, jogging, and to paint." This sentence sounds a bit awkward because it mixes gerunds, reading, jogging, with an infinitive, to paint. A parallel structure would correct this to, "She likes reading, jogging, and painting." Now, each element in the series follows the same grammatical form, making the sentence smoother and easier to follow. Parallelism is not limited to lists. It can be used in various parts of a sentence, across sentences, or even in whole paragraphs. For example, in persuasive writing, you might see parallel structure used to emphasize a point. The new policy will make our community safer, stronger, and smarter. Here, the repetition of the structure, adjective plus noun, emphasizes the comprehensive benefits of the policy. In literature, authors often use parallelism to create rhythms and patterns that enhance their themes or characters. For instance, Martin Luther King Jr.'s famous, "I Have a Dream" speech uses parallel structure extensively to emphasize the different aspects of his vision for equality and freedom. Parallel sentence structure can also be found in comparisons and contrasts. For example, just as the sword is the weapon of a warrior, a pen is the weapon of a writer. This sentence not only compares the tools of different professions but does so in a way that is symmetrical and balanced, enhancing the impact of the comparison. To effectively use parallel structure in your writing, follow these tips. 1. When creating a list, keep all elements in the same grammatical form. 2. Use parallelism to emphasize parts of your sentence or argument that are particularly important. 3. Be consistent with your use of parallel structure once you start it within a passage to maintain rhythm and flow. In conclusion, mastering parallel sentence structure can significantly improve your writing by making it more organized, persuasive, and pleasing to read. Whether you are writing an essay, a speech, or a novel, integrating this technique will help ensure that your ideas are conveyed clearly and powerfully. Remember, like any aspect of writing, practice is key. Review your sentences for parallelism during the editing process to refine your style and enhance your overall communication. This has been a production of D&J Designs and Mathman 1962. If you want to be notified when new videos are posted, please click on the subscribe button. Adult education instructional materials available at https://edtech.dnjdesigns.org.